Hey everyone, if you want to manage a large Discord server with thousands of members in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to manage a big Discord community like a pro. First, organize your server structure into clear categories like info, community, voice, and staff. A clean layout makes management much easier at scale. Next, set up a proper role system. Roles like admin, moderator, helper, and member help control permissions effectively. Now use bots for automation. Bots can handle moderation, welcome messages, auto roles, and other repetitive tasks. Enable moderation tools like AutoMod and anti-spam filters. I mean, this helps protect your server from spam, raids, and harmful content. Create a clear rules channel and onboarding system. This ensures new members understand the server quickly. Assign responsibilities to your staff team. Moderators handle chat, admins manage settings, and helpers support users. Finally, monitor activity using log channels. This helps you track moderation actions like bans, kicks, and edits. So yeah, that's how you manage a large Discord server in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your community will stay organized, safe, and active. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone,